Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional FAQ page in Shopify. Step by step, perfect for beginners in 2025. Let's get started. First of all, we are going to create the actual FAQ page. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Online Store, then Pages, then click Add Page from the upper right corner. Name the page FAQ or frequently asked questions. In the content box, you can start typing your FAQs like this. Q, how long does shipping take? Answer. Q for questions, A for answer. Shipping takes 5 to 7 business days in most region. Add any question like that. Keep the formatting clean and scannable. Once you are done, click save. Now let's make sure your customers can find it. Go to online store, then navigation, click on main menu or footer menu depending on where you want it. Click add menu items, name it FAQ, click link, then pages, then select the FAQ pages you just created and click add, then save menu. Now your FAQ page is live and linked on your site. Want to make your FAQ page look cleaner with drop-down answers? You have two options. Option 1, use a Shopify app. Go to Shopify App Store. Search for FAQ. Accordion or easy FAQ, then install, customize, and it will generate a styled FAQ for you. Option 2, use theme features. Some premium themes can come with built-in collapsible FAQs. You can create them using sections or blocks in the theme editor. If you want a super clean layout, use apps. They're beginner friendly. Before we finish, here are 3 quick tips. Keep answers short and clear. Organize by topics like shipping, returns, payments. Use customer service data to add common questions. A good FAQ saves time for both you and your customers, and that's how to create an awesome FAQ page in Shopify in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a video on adding live chat or AI chatbots next. Thanks for watching.